Hi children, today we will learn about dining etiquette. Children, whether you are eating at home or dining out at a restaurant or having dinner with friends, there are a few simple habits that you all have to follow. These simple habits are known as dining etiquette rules or table manners. It is very important for kids to practice and exhibit proper table manners from the early years, and that will also create a good impression about you when you sit down for a meal. In today's class, we will be discussing about the items or tools for dining and how to eat different dishes, etc. First, I will show you how a formal dinner table is set up.
On your far left, you can see forks, the bread plate and butter knife, a dessert fork and a dessert spoon. In the middle, you can see the dinner plate. And on the far right, you can see the dinner knife, spoons, and finally a glass of water. Now, let us learn the table manners that we should follow during the meal. Rule number 1. See that you wash your hand before and after your meal. As you can see, your table is laid out. Here is your napkin. Unfold your napkin and place it on your lap like this. This is to protect yourself from falling food particles and to wipe your mouth or hands when you need it. Rule number 2. See that your elbows are off the table and sit up straight. But you need to make sure to give enough space to others sitting around you. Rule number 3. Do remember that the cutleries or the items on the table are not toys and try not to play with them. Rule number 4. While eating, it's important to chew with your mouth closed and not talk while there is food in your mouth. Rule number 5. Try not to take the food item which is placed on the table far out of your reach. Instead, request for the item to be passed to you by one of the elders sitting next to you. Rule number 6. Bring food up to your mouth and not mouth to food while you are eating. Remember that food is for eating and not for play. Now, let us start with the soup. Children, observe carefully how to drink the soup. You can see the soup bowl is placed in the middle of the dinner plate. Take the soup spoon and hold it in between these fingers, your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. Then, spoon your soup away from you rather than towards you. Now, tilt it and sip. Remember, do not slurp. Finally, leave your spoon in the bowl when finished. Next, Miss is going to talk about salad course and how to eat salad. A salad course is served before the main course. So take your salad fork in your left and the knife on your right. Then using your knife, make a cut on a cucumber or carrot like this. Now with the fork, eat it like this. Children, remember, if you need to drink water in between, place your fork and knife crisscross like this. And then drink your water. Finally, place your fork and knife in this manner when finished. Next, Miss is going to show how to eat a main course. A main course is a food that is served in the dinner plate. Here, you can see rice in the plate. And now, I will show you how to eat it using your spoon and fork. Children, hold the spoon on your right and your fork on the left. Now, push some rice with your fork into the spoon like this and eat it. Finally, leave your spoon and fork on the right side of the plate like this when finished. Once you have finished your meal, take your napkin and dab your mouth like this. Place the napkin on your left side and excuse yourself.
So, dear parents, by teaching your child good table etiquette, you are essentially equipping them with tools that will instill social confidence in them. Moreover, children with good manners grow into polite and respectful adults. Now, let us do a worksheet activity on dining etiquette. Children, this is the worksheet activity on dining etiquette. Here, you can see a model of how a formal dinner table is set up. Observe the table setting properly. Identify where you should put the objects given below. Tick L for left and R for right. Children, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.